so a minute I could give you one.
How you doing?
Good. I've been watching.
Gonna say something?
I've been watching some of your videos.
Cool. Awesome. Well, you're on video right now. You cleaning up all the cars?
Oh, that's almost my job. The one good thing though about it though is I usually get to drive one of them.
Yeah, that's nice. You can come over and clean mine. I'll let you drive mine.
Oh, that wouldn't be bad. I've seen
It's right down the road, actually. I got too late of a start, and it's dirty, so. But I made it.
Well, it's still good.
Beautiful.
If you want to here in a second, I can start them up for you.
Hey, he's gonna fire this up for us. Under the Ford. Load it up a little bit. Load it up a little bit. Rev her up for me. Look at that exhaust collector. Alright, so I appreciate you starting that.
You had to have some cash, dog. Oh my God, that was awesome. Did you teach him all this? Did you teach him all this?
Something.
Scott Clark, I'm over by your car, brother. Wow, man, that is amazing. It is so clean. Look how clean that is. My God. It's a nice one. I'm up against the curb here, so can't get closer. But look at the wheels. I like that T-stripe.